Unisert Multiwall Systems is in the business of designing, building, and installing multi-wall pipe systems that meet double wall containment needs and solve corrosion problems for the power utility, municipal, oil, gas, and petrochemical industries. Unisert's IT3 multi-wall pipeline systems incorporate an economical technique, sliding one pipeline system into another, and then filling the annular space with a suitable material to create a multi-wall pipe. Unisert's techniques can be used for new pipeline systems or to repair and rejuvenate existing systems. A wide range of materials that include metals, plastics, and cements are utilized. The selection of liner materials is endless and includes FRP, PE, PB, and PVC, among others. Chosen for high corrosion and chemical resistance, as well as excellent flow characteristics, the liner must also be suited to present and future operating criteria. Unisert has installed its IT3 piping systems in all types of climates and conditions and over great distances. They are suitable for both on and offshore applications and above and below ground installations. IT3 piping systems have been installed offshore and in terrain ranging from mountains, flatlands, marshes, and tundra to refineries, plants, and the congested streets of New York City. IT3 piping systems are operated in the harshest of climates, from the tropical heat of the Caribbean to the frigid conditions of Alaska's North Slope. Project distances have ranged from less than 100 feet to more than 200 miles. Unisert's approach to pipeline rejuvenation was developed over 30 years ago by Ken Turling, the founder of Unisert. As a pipeline manager in Canada, he witnessed leaks and other maintenance problems occurring at a higher than average frequency due to accelerated corrosion. He determined that another approach involving the use of non-metallic liners locked into place with a cement-based grout could be a long-term solution in those applications where pipeline failure occurrence was the greatest. The biggest initial challenge was developing a fluid grout mixture with high compressive strength characteristics that was pumpable over long distances. With access to pipelines often limited, being able to insert liner segments in lengths 1/2 mile long or greater would be a major installation advantage. Other important factors included ensuring joint integrity of the pipeline segments at the elbows and other transition joints. And with the annular space available, each piping component could be addressed individually to allow welding of the outer case pipe over top of the liner without affecting the liner. These and other design measures would allow the original pressure capabilities of a pipeline to be restored. Having met these and other design challenges successfully, Unisert was formed and began installing the IT3 in situ piping system throughout the U.S. and Canada. The Unisert engineering team later developed the IT3 new piping system for new construction installations where a material solution was required and replacement projects where lining an existing pipe was not adequate due to design requirements or the extent of corrosion the pipelines had experienced. In addition to designing and custom fabricating IT3 multi-wall elbows and fittings, Unisert also designed and patented the SK collar, a welded inline connection that allows the steel outer case and the plastic inner pipe to be joined simultaneously. This approach to joining line pipe and fittings eliminates the need for flanged connections, which are also available when preferred. Another advantage of the IT3 new piping system is that random joints can be field cut to length as required and field prepared for installation. One of the IT3 system's greatest features is design flexibility. IT3 systems operate in all types of fluid streams, including gas, oil, water, slurry, and multi-phase systems. The IT3 system has been installed in production, transmission, and distribution lines for oil, gas, and chemicals, water ballast lines, fuel oil lines, water injection and disposal lines, and sewer lines. 2-inch and larger diameters are available. Pressures can range from vacuum to 3,500 psi, depending on the type of outer case and liner material specified. Higher temperature ranges can also be reached based on the liner material selected and its compatibility with the fluid stream. Special insulating properties and negative buoyancy are but two of the many features that can be built into the cement grout. Cement, squeezed between the liner and the outside pipe, combines the two conduits into one multi-layer pipe. that meets double wall containment requirements, transmits hoop strength, forms a secondary corrosion defense, and provides greater protection from impact, UV, and fire damage. The IT3 new piping system components are constructed and prepared in advance at Unisert's plant or on the job site, while the liner and other materials needed for installing the IT3 in situ piping system are mobilized directly to the job site. Low maintenance and system longevity are two critical factors to consider when rejuvenating or replacing a pipeline, or when installing an entirely new system. The IT3 system has saved industry millions of dollars in downtime, reclamation, and material costs, in addition to the continued payback from maintenance-free operation in the years that follow. With Unisert's IT3 in situ piping system, an existing pipeline can be restored to optimum performance levels. Less excavation and welding are needed. Most pipeline obstructions can be avoided or maneuvered around, and the existing line serves as a protective conduit for the new liner. The IT3 in situ piping system is also generally 60% of the cost of replacement with a new steel pipe system. Depending on the location and the length of the line being rejuvenated, the savings can be even greater. Unisert's IT3 new piping system offers pipeline operators a cost-effective way to combat costly maintenance caused by accelerated galvanic corrosion and other related problems. Greater containment is achieved and leaks caused by corrosion are reduced or eliminated, thereby cutting losses due to system downtime while lowering risks to the environment. Let Unisert evaluate your next pipeline project. Unisert offers total service to its customers, ranging from design and planning to post-installation analysis. Both standard designs and custom technical services are provided. The IT3 Multiwall pipeline system may be your best alternative to traditional pipeline installation, repair, and replacement methods. Unisert's IT3 Multiwall pipeline system is a proven winner in the challenge to make your pipeline operations a long-term success.